Hello folks, it is June 5th, 2019. Tony Colombo, Grace Elizabeth at the Cardinals game. It is raining a lot. We're in a rain delay. Let's see if you can see that map. You see that radar? A lot of green and red, yep. There's the tarp. So there's a lot of rain here. But we got our food. So we're going to do the St. Louis Cardinals edition of the Jalapeno Challenge. You ever had a jalapeno?
I think so, but I don't know.
Okay. Would you like a green jalapeno or a red jalapeno? All right. I'll try to select the smallest one. And I will put a liberal amount of cheese on there for you as well. Here we go. Sure. Grace Elizabeth Jalapeno Challenge. There we go. Oh, the whole chip, huh? Trying to dilute it as much as she can. What's going on?
It's hot. I don't like it.
No? You want another one?
No.
All right. Well, that was the most entertaining thing we've done since we've been here. Thanks for joining us for the Jalapeno Challenge.
Yeah, it hurts.
You all right?
Yeah.
You going away?
No.
Another one?
No.
All right. All right, goodbye from Busch Stadium.